In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the exhaust manifold with the gasket on this GMC Yukon. Now we're working on the passenger side. The procedure for the driver's side is similar, although there are a few differences, so we're going to focus on the passenger side for this video. I always recommend replacing the hardware as well, so make sure you have plenty on hand. Let's get started. With the vehicle safely raised and supported, use a 22mm socket, remove all 6 lug nuts, and then remove the wheel. Now using a T15 Torx bit, remove all of the fasteners that hold this fender liner onto the vehicle. We're going to go all the way around, starting from the bottom, make our way up and over. At the front where it meets the front bumper, we have several 7mm headed screws. Remove those as well. And at the very front, underneath the fender liner, we have 2 10mm headed bolts. Remove both of these as well. Now you can remove your fender liner. Now once you make your way in here, remove the spark plug wires one at a time, twisting each end and then pulling straight out. Using some pliers to twist them is highly recommended. You don't want to just pull straight out, or you can actually break the wire. Now using a 15mm deep socket and an extension, from underneath unbolt the 3 mounting nuts holding the manifold onto the pipe. Now using a 13mm socket and an extension, break free all of these bolts that go into the head and hold the manifold on, and then we'll remove them the rest of the way. I want to break them free first manually to make sure that they're actually going to come off before I put a power tool on them. Okay, there's one. Now let's lift it right up and out of the pipe. Bring it down a little bit just like this. Let's remove this shield using a 10mm socket. There are 3 bolts, one here, and one there. Now carefully take the shield out. And now, let's try removing this manifold, get it completely out of our way. There it is. Now let's clean up the mating surface on the head. Use a razor blade or a gasket scraper or a sanding block to get things nice and flat, nice and clean, and then we can reinstall everything. For this exhaust pipe, I have a new gasket. So with a pocket screwdriver or a pick, I'm going to pry the old one out. clean up the area if necessary, and we'll install the new gasket. Slide the exhaust manifold in. Now let's put on the gasket. And have some harder ready to thread on so you can get everything to stay. We'll tighten it all up. Torque all these to 15 foot-pounds. We'll start from the center and work our way towards the outer ones one at a time. Double check them all. This time you don't have to go in any pattern, just go in line and torque them. All right, those are tight. Get that heat shield back on. Now let's bolt the manifold onto the pipe. Torque these also to 15 foot-pounds. And let's get the spark plug wires reconnected. It's time to put the fender liner back on, so lift it up into place and have at least one bolt ready so you can temporarily secure it. And now, put in all the rest of the bolts. Don't forget this little piece of plastic that goes on the edge. Let's get the wheel back on. Start on all 6 lug nuts. We'll bottom them out in a cross pattern, and then also in a cross pattern, we'll torque them to 140 foot-pounds. A 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern, here we go. Double check them. And there you have it. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.